Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever noticed how your eyes and lips can reveal so much about your age or how well rested you are? Well, today we're talking about a product that promises to turn back the clock a little bit and smooth those delicate areas. It's the Filorga Global Repair Eyes and Lips Cream. This product is designed to hydrate, smooth wrinkles, and tackle concerns like puffiness, dark circles, and dehydration, all while using powerful ingredients like retinol and NCEF. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now let's take a closer look at what this cream is all about. The Filorga Global Repair Eyes and Lips Cream comes in a sleek, travel-friendly 50-milliliter jar. Its formulation is meant to target two areas that can show signs of aging the fastest: the eyes and lips. The star ingredient here is retinol, a tried-and-true anti-aging powerhouse. Retinol is great for stimulating collagen production, which can help with fine lines and wrinkles. But it doesn't stop there. The cream also contains NCEF, Filorga's proprietary complex that's designed to enhance skin regeneration, giving you a more youthful and revitalized appearance. The texture of this cream is thick and rich, but still feels smooth and comfortable to apply. I've been using it consistently for a couple of weeks now, both in the morning and evening, focusing on my eye area and lip contours. The application is easy. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy or sticky residue, which is always a win in my book. It feels hydrating right from the first use, and there's a slight cooling sensation, which is a nice touch, especially when you're using it to depuff under the eyes. But let's talk about performance. Did it really reduce puffiness and dark circles like it promises? I did notice a subtle improvement in the puffiness around my eyes, and while dark circles are stubborn, I feel like they look slightly less pronounced after consistent use. The fine lines around my eyes and lips have also softened a little, though I don't think they disappeared entirely. Retinol can take time to show significant results, so I'm giving it a bit more time before making a full judgment. Still, for those with sensitive skin or who are new to retinol, I'd recommend patch testing before committing. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the cream is hydrating, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave an oily residue, making it great for layering with other products or makeup. It also has a luxurious feel and doesn't irritate the skin, even around the delicate eye area. The formula also feels quite nourishing without being overly heavy, which is something I appreciate. On the downside, the price point is on the higher side for a 15-millimeter jar, especially if you're someone who's using it for both eyes and lips. While I've seen some improvement, it might take a bit longer for those dramatic results we all hope for. As for value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for. The ingredients are solid. Retinol and NCEF are both known for their anti-aging and skin repairing properties, but you're paying for the brand and the formulation. If you're someone who's willing to invest in high-quality skincare for visible results over time, this could be a good pick. But if you're looking for something with faster results or on a tighter budget, you might want to check out some alternatives. Speaking of alternatives, if you're not ready to splurge on this one, you could try other retinol-based eye creams, like those from The Ordinary or Neutrogena, which offer similar benefits, but at a more affordable price point. Of course, they may not have the NCEF complex, but they're still worth considering if you're looking to address fine lines and wrinkles. So final thoughts? The Filorga Global Repair Eyes and Lips Cream is a solid option if you're seeking an anti-aging solution for your eye and lip areas. It delivers on hydration, helps with puffiness, and softens fine lines, though it does take some time to see visible results. I'd recommend this for someone who's committed to a skincare routine and looking for a luxurious, effective product, though be prepared for the higher price tag. If you have sensitive skin, this could be a gentle introduction to retinol. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience.